Hi Tarotverse, it's Ethany, and I wanted to take this opportunity to say a massive thank you to everyone who participated this year in the hashtag 31 Days of Tarot. We had members of this incredible community join us from all over the world, and I'm so simply mind blown by this still, that so many people came and shared their tarot journey and spent their time recording videos for this challenge on their YouTube channels, blogs, and social media accounts. Not only are you all incredibly deep, insightful, talented, and funny, but you're also extremely good looking, and I really do appreciate how much everyone has given to this tarot community over the days of the challenge, and anyone who really just goes out there and creates for our tarot community as well, because it is a big thing to put your personal time aside to create for others. So I just wanted to take this space to honor you and take a moment to say thank you. Virtual high fives to everyone who completed the challenge. High five to everyone who jumped on YouTube for the first time. Woohoo! To do the 31 days of tarot. High five to everyone who made a video, blog, or post, or shared their tarot practice on the various social platforms that we were using during 31 days of tarot. Some of my favorite prompts for this year were listening to everyone talk about their tarot reversal practices. It was very interesting to see how many people have had their minds changed, or that they changed their practices during the years that they've had with tarot and as they've grown. Not only that, but there was such a great sense of inclusion of the way other people read the cards, and a real sense of people being open to learning new things always with the tarot. And that's very encouraging, that we are always open to new things as even just a community. I really loved watching everyone's day 17 on the challenge, which saw us getting in touch with our inner artist. There were sketches, paintings, colouring in of colouring books with tarot. It was pretty fucking epic. I love the inclusion of what would be the 79th card. So many great interpretations and personal preferences on that one. Sharing our other divination tools in day 14 was something else that was pretty special. I told you we were all a pretty talented bunch there, people. And I'm sure I was not alone in the fact that my deck wish list grew during this challenge, as I'm sure many others did. I wanted to share all of the participating channels on my channel, and the list kept growing all the way through, which was very incredible. At some point, YouTube was saying how my description was too long. So that's when you know you've got a great community. Thank you to everyone in the community who sent in prompts for this year to make this year awesome. Your help was so greatly appreciated, and it was nice to get some outside input as, after doing this for 3 years, I was like, I don't really know how much more I have to ask here, so it was really awesome to have some input there. I really hope that everyone enjoyed this year's 31 Days of Tarot. I know I did. I'm going to put the list of participating channels for 2018 over at ethany.com, where the transcription of this video is as well, for those of you who may want to go back, or those of you who have not subscribed to these amazing tarot people, if you're looking for more tarot awesome to follow in our incredible community. Thank you so much from the bottom of my little tarot heart. I really do appreciate it. I have loved getting to know and to meet some new amazing tarot people. If I'm going to see any of you at the Northwest Tarot Symposium in Portland in March, the first weekend of March, come and say hello. I'm going to be there. I do not bite. I absolutely promise. I would love to say hello to you. If you're going to be at the Tarot Readers Studio in New York in April, come and say hi as well. I'm going to be there as well this year. I'm very rapt that I get to go to too. If I'm not going to see you at either one of those, maybe there'll be something else later on in the year that we'll catch up on in this great, fantastic, big wide world. Thank you so much for watching all the videos. Thank you for being you and for being awesome. And I will see you all again when I post my next video, because you know it ain't going to be that long.